Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. When statutory provisions, history, situation prevailing, and geographical location of the district C are kept in mind, old demand to bring about prohibition demand by the sizable number of women in the area, morcha of 5,000 women on state assembly who came from district Chandrapur for it. No opposition to the government move to impose ban by any Gram Panchayat by appearing before the independent committee DCR appointed by the previous government. Election promise by a political opponent, all formed a material relevant to the performance of its duty under Article 47 of the Constitution. These factors are relevant and sufficient in law to sustain the state's policy decision of to declaration of C district as dry district. As per our Constitution, trade or business in pernicious commodities is not allowed at all. It is state's absolute privilege to permit any person to indulge in it, but subject to such conditions as it may deem fit to impose. The state legislation contains the provisions like S11 and S139 which recognize this prerogative of the state and mould it with Article 47 of the Constitution of India. Hence, in all matters connected with alcohol and liquor, primacy is given to exercise of its supremacy by the state and absolute power is conferred on the state. Political majority shall regulate the use thereof. However, at local level, the political equations may vary and hence prohibition is forced when at Gram Panchayat level if the Gram Sabha or women folk so decide. The entire scheme of the Prohibition Act therefore shows power with the state government to order ban or discontinuation of the licensing if the state government on relevant material decided accordingly. Nobody can force the state to part with its privilege or the terms thereof. State can part with it conditionally or add to those terms in its absolute discretion. If the state exercise is based on relevant considerations, nobody can take an exception to it. Article 14 of Constitution cannot be relied upon and resorted to question any step of state government in an attempt to discharge its obligation under Article 47 of the Constitution of India. In present matter, Article 14 is not available to the petitioners, licensee / permit holder under Article 38, 39, 40. In any civil society, the weaklings like old aged, infirm persons, women and juvenile are bound to be worst victims of the alcohol. Spirit behind conferring special status on women in Prohibition Act and scheme of Section 11A of the Prohibition Act cannot be overlooked. An earning man heading the family may not always care for them and spend more for his enjoyment or entertainment. On the contrary, normally a woman will always first think of welfare of the entire family. State government is bound to honor this legislative wisdom and see that constitutional goal flowing from Article 47 is not defeated. Stop.